Okay, now let us see the responses, okay? We have seen that how to ask direction, okay? In English, then in Amharic language, okay? So after asking the direction, then how can we can respond after we are asking the direction, okay? For instance, it's important for us to know as we are learning the language, okay? We ask the direction. So how can the person respond to us to show us the direction, okay? So the responses. Some of the responses are left, right, straight, or to the left, to the right, or straight, okay? After we ask the direction, for instance, how can I find the hotel, or how can I find a bank? After we ask such question, the response will be, you're gonna say us, well, either turn to the right, turn to the left, or go straight. So such kind of responses are just expected from that person. So how can we say right, left, straight? Okay, left means to the left or left. In Amharic language, left means gra, okay? This one is subgroup of alphabet G. G, gu, gi, ga, ge, g. This one is okay, g. Whereas this one is subgroup of alphabet R, ru, ri, ra. So when we read it, gra, it means left. Gra means left, okay? Gra. In English, left. So in Amharic, left means gra, okay? Gra. The other one is right. Right means ቀኝ. This one is basic alphabet K. This one is subgroup of alphabet ñ, ኙ, ኝ, ኛ, ኝ. Okay, ኝ. ቀኝ means right, okay? ቀኝ means right. Whereas the other one is straight. In order to say straight in Amharic, it means what? ቀጥታ. This one is basic alphabet ቀ. This one is subgroup of alphabet ጠ, ጡ, ጢ, ጣ, ጥ, ጥ. This one is ጥ. Whereas this one is subgroup of alphabet ተ, ቱ, ቲ, ታ. Okay? ቀጥታ, it means straight. ቀጥታ means straight. ቀኝ means right. ግራ means left. Here I add two. Two means, previously I have told you, two means in Amharic ወደ. Two means ወደ. So to the right means ወደ ቀኝ. To the right, okay? To the right means ወደ ቀኝ. Since two means ወደ in Amharic language, right means here I said you right, ቀኝ. So to the right means ወደ ቀኝ. To the left, two means ወደ, left means ግራ, ወደ ግራ. So if someone says you turn to the left, ወደ ግራ ታጠፍ. The other one is turn. Turn means መታጠፍ in Amharic language. Turn to the right or to the left. So turn means መታጠፍ. This one is basic alphabet መ. This one is subgroup of alphabet ተ, ቱ, ቲ, ታ. This one is main alphabet ጠ. And this one is subgroup of alphabet ፈ, ፉ, ፊ, ፋ. So when we read it, መታጠፍ, it means turn. መታጠፍ, turn, okay? The other one is go. Go means heed. Go means heed. This one is subgroup of alphabet ha, hu, he. This one is he. This one is subgroup of alphabet da, du, di, da, de, d. Heed means, it means what? Go. Heed means go. Turn means መታጠፍ. So after we ask direction, the responses will be, for instance, turn to the left. The person that we have asked the direction may answer or may respond to us by saying what? Turn to the left. It means, turn means መታጠፍ, to means ወደ, in Amharic, left means ግራ. So ወደ ግራ ታጠፍ. Turn to the left means ወደ ግራ ታጠፍ. So where can I find the bank? Bank የት ማግኘት እችላለሁ? Then the answer will be ወደ ግራ ታጠፍ. If you want to turn to the left, we'll say in Amharic language ወደ ግራ ታጠፍ. Or turn to the right. If you want to say ወደ ቀኝ ታጠፍ. Right means ቀኝ in Amharic language. Left means ግራ. So turn to the left. ወደ ግራ ታጠፍ. Turn to the right. ወደ ቀኝ ታጠፍ. The other one is straight means ቀጥታ. So go straight. Go means heed. So ቀጥታ ሂድ. Go straight. So either one of the three options might be available, okay? After we have asked the question, in order to find some place, then we answer either turn to the left, turn to the right, or go straight. So turn to the left in Amharic ወደ ግራ ታጠፍ, turn to the right ወደ ቀኝ ታጠፍ, go straight ቀጥታ ሂድ. Go means ሂድ, ቀጥታ means straight. So go straight ቀጥታ ሂድ. Okay, these are the responses we can answer to a question. And after the responses, okay, after the responses, then we'll thank that person, okay, by saying what? Thank you. After we have got the answer to our question, we'll say what? Thank you. Thank you. So in Amharic, አመሰግናለሁ. Thank you means አመሰግናለሁ. Okay, አመሰግናለሁ. Thank you. አመሰግናለሁ. This one is basic alphabet A, this one is basic alphabet M, this one is basic alphabet S, this one is subgroup of alphabet G, 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 G. This one is subgroup of alphabet N, 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 Na, whereas this one is basic alphabet L, and this one is subgroup of alphabet H, H, Hu, Hu. So, አመሰግናለሁ. It means thank you. After you get your answer, or after the person you have asked the direction told you, then you're gonna say አመሰግናለሁ. It means thank you, okay? But let us say he told you the direction, but you haven't understand what he have told you, or you haven't heard him, okay? So you're gonna say, please repeat it for me, okay? For me. Since you haven't understand what he have told you, the answer he told you is not clear for you, or you haven't heard him. So you're gonna say him, please repeat it for me. So in Amharic, you're gonna say, እባክህ ትደግምልኛለህ, or so you're gonna say in Amharic እባክህ ትደግምልኛለህ, or ልትደግምልኝ ትችላለህ. One of the two can be used. I have said you that he told you the direction, but you didn't understand what you have said you, or you haven't get the right direction, or you haven't heard him. So how can you ask him in order to repeat it for you, okay, in Amharic language? So you're gonna say what? እባክህ ትደግምልኛለህ. This one is subgroup of alphabet A, U, E, A, E, E, E. This one is subgroup of alphabet B, 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 Ba. This one is subgroup of alphabet K, K, Ku, Ki, Ka, Ke, K, okay? This one is subgroup of alphabet H, H, Hu, Hi, Ha, He, H. So when we read it, እባክህ. This one is subgroup of alphabet T, T, Tu, Ti, Ta, Te, T. This one is main alphabet D. This one is subgroup of alphabet G, G, Gu, Gi, Ga, Ge, G. Whereas this one is subgroup of alphabet M, M, Mu, Mi, Ma, Me, M. And this one is subgroup of alphabet L, L, Lu, Li, La, Le, L. And this one is subgroup of alphabet Ñ, Ñ, Ñu, Ñi, Ña, okay? And this one is L, main alphabet L. And this one is subgroup of alphabet H, H, Hu, Hi, Ha, He, H. So when we read it, እባክህ ትደግምልኛለህ. Please, can you repeat it for me? It means like what? Please, can you repeat it for me? እባክህ ትደግምልኛለህ. Okay? እባክህ ትደግምልኛለህ. Or the other way to say please repeat it for me. ልትደግምልኝ ትችላለህ. Can you please repeat it for me? ልትደግምልኝ ትችላለህ. This one is L, this one is T, this one is D, this one is G, this one is M, this one is L, this one is Ñ. ልትደግምልኝ ትችላለህ. This one is ትችላለህ. ልትደግምልኝ ትችላለህ. Can you repeat it for me? Or እባክህ ትደግምልኛለህ. Okay? እባክህ. This one is in order to be polite እባክህ means please እባክህ means please ትደግምልኛለህ means repeat can you repeat it for me it means can you repeat it for me ትደግምልኛለህ so እባክህ means you are being polite it means what please so please can you repeat it for me so እባክህ ትደግምልኛለህ or እባክህ ልትደግምልኝ ትችላለህ so you can use either one of the two እባክህ is to be polite okay it means please so እባክህ then ትደግምልኛለህ means can you repeat it for me so እባክህ ትደግምልኛለህ or እባክህ ልትደግምልኝ ትችላለህ both of them can be used okay if you haven't heard the person you asked haven't heard him of what he have said or you haven't understand what he have said so you're gonna say እባክህ ልትደግምልኝ ትችላለህ or እባክህ ትደግምልኛለህ so in general these are the ways to ask direction okay in Amharic language so I hope you can use it and it will be easy for you and we'll see the other one okay the other part